all in color. Just watch me. Gotta finish up in color. Yeah. It's time to do it all in color.
While I'm waiting for the stylist to finish prepping the wig, I bought this wig in February 2023 at a WOWANGEL on AliExpress. It is a 13 by 14 frontal wig, 20 inches and 180% density. I've worn this wig before. This is actually me wearing the wig, like I think the first couple of times I tried to pluck it, and I knew that I needed obviously to repluck it and re-bleach the knots as well, because I didn't do it correctly the first time. So I'm really excited to seeing how this wig installation is going to turn out. So back to the installation.
Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion, change on my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours.
The stylist was precise in making sure that my wig is sitting properly according to how I like it, and also I kind of had to ask her to wipe the makeup off my hairline so that when she applies the lace glue it sticks in properly. Guys, let your hairstylist remove your makeup on your hairline. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Miss Yola and this is my Beauty and Treats channel. I'm getting my wig installed, guys.
Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion, change on my flows. Change my approach, loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so prominent. That's what I am. I'm just
no hot comb on site and the hairline is already giving scalp. This method is crazy. These are the finishing touches. So she's basically just combing the hairline back, and because I do not want any edges or baby hairs, just a normal straight wig, nicely styled, and it is looking so good. I was very impressed with this method. I'm definitely going to be trying it. Look at me, I'm even smiling, like I was so impressed.
You give me what I need. Not saying I'm a pro, but you could learn from me. We go another round before we fall asleep. You put me on a high now, baby.
This is the final look of this wig installation. What do you guys think? Let me know on the comment section. I think it is such a great installation. It looks so clean. I'm so impressed with my upkeep of this wig, and I love how they install this wig. Please be sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.